Sophie was searching her grandmother's attic. Her fingers brushed against an old wooden box, and inside, a silver watch glowing with an eerie blue light. A whisper echoed in her mind.
Set the time, and time will set you free.
Heart-pounding, she whispered.
Ancient Egypt.
A flash, a void, weightless chaos. Then blazing sun, golden sands. The past, real and alive.
I am Prince Amenhotep.
I'm from far away.
Come, there is much to show you.
They wandered through the ancient city, its secrets unfolding with every step, the magic of the Nile, and wisdom etched in stones. But as the sun dipped behind the horizon, her time in Egypt was nearly gone. Sophie crashed into thick, humid air, surrounded by towering trees and dinosaurs. Can she survive this journey?